Hi guys, Casey here. Welcome to one of my personal reviews. Ito ang IQOS. This e-cigarette product is owned by Philip Morris and may dalawang variations ang product na to. I got the multi variation. You can get this product either ordering through online or hanap kayo ng physical store near your location on their website. Meron silang discount promo ngayon up to May 31 and I got it for only 1499 PHP. With original price of 3,000 pesos. Meron tayong 1-year warranty upon purchase, so make sure to keep your receipt. And lastly, if you're interested in getting one, gamitin nyo ang referral code ko that I will list in the description down below and get 750 pesos worth of discount. So tingnan natin ang laman ng box ng IQOS Multi. We have the e-cigarette itself. Then meron tayong manuals na hindi nyo kailangan basahin when you finish this video. We have some cleaning tools here na ipapakita ko kung paano gamitin mamaya. And lastly, we have the adapter and cord para gamitin natin pang charge ng e-cigarette. Like pang Apple, may adapter tayo. So right out of the box, kailangan nyo muna siya i-charge for 75 minutes bago nyo gamitin. For this IQOS Multi, ang capacity niya is around 10 sticks of HEETS bago nyo kailangan i-charge ulit. So full charge will take 75 minutes. So HEETS ang tawag sa yosi nila. Syempre kailangan nyo bumili sa kanila since it's a special kind, no? Sarili nilang gawa yan. Kapag umorder ka ng bagong IQOS, it comes with free 5 packs. Each pack has around 20 heat sticks. Kung napansin nyo, mas maliit siya sa normal na yosi pero same lang ang content sa normal na cigarette. Tingnan natin kung paano gamitin tong IQOS Multi. So kukuha tayo ng isang stick tapos ipupush down nyo siya up to that level and hold the button and wait for the first vibration. After second vibration, pwede nyo na siya gamitin. So IQOS heats the tobacco, no? Not burn. So yun yung pinupush nilang feature. And it is a lot safer than traditional cigarette. So the whole process will take 6 minutes or 14 puffs, whichever comes first. So this part of the video will show how you clean and dispose, no? After mong gumamit ng heat sticks. So gagawin nyo siya, lilinisin nyo siya after 20 sticks. And this is how you clean it. Hi guys, so as promised, I'll be announcing the winner for the T68 smartwatch giveaway. So one of the mechanics include 100 comments or after 30 days from date of post. So lumagpas na ang 30 days and we have a few comments here that are valid for entry. So I'm using Wobox. We have itong si Rafa at si Brian will not be valid. So si Nino, si Josiah, si Elaine lang. If ma-pick ko sila yun na, if ma-pick ko tong si Brian or si Rafa, I'll pick again. So let's see. Here, pick winners. Okay, si Nino. So yeah, congratulations. I'll be messaging you on Instagram. Tapos ayun, yun lang naman. Thank you guys for